Joint pain can be a debilitating condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Whether it's caused by arthritis, injury, or age-related wear and tear, the discomfort and limited mobility that joint pain brings can significantly impact one's quality of life. While there are various pharmaceutical remedies available, some people are turning to natural alternatives to find relief. Essential oils, derived from plants, have gained popularity for their potential to alleviate joint pain and promote overall well-being. In this video, we will explore several essential oils known for their analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help you find comfort and relief from joint pain. 1. Lavender oil. Lavender oil is renowned for its calming and soothing properties, making it a great choice for joint pain relief. Its anti-inflammatory and analgesic qualities can help reduce swelling and discomfort. To use lavender oil for joint pain, mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil, and gently massage the affected area. Alternatively, you can add a few drops to a warm bath to relax your muscles and soothe your joints. 2. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is well known for its cooling sensation and ability to relieve pain and inflammation. When applied topically, it can provide a soothing effect on sore joints. Combine a few drops of peppermint oil with a carrier oil, and massage it onto the painful area. The cooling sensation will provide quick relief, making it a great choice for people with joint pain due to inflammation. 3. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, making it an excellent choice for joint pain relief. It can improve blood circulation and reduce swelling in the affected joints. Dilute a few drops of eucalyptus oil in a carrier oil and massage it onto the painful area. Additionally, you can inhale the aroma of eucalyptus oil to help ease discomfort and promote relaxation. 4. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is not only known for its delicious culinary uses but also for its potential to alleviate joint pain. It contains anti-inflammatory and analgesic compounds that can help reduce pain and improve circulation. Mix a few drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil and massage it into the affected joints to relieve discomfort and promote relaxation. 5. Frankincense oil. Frankincense oil has been used for centuries for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. It can be a powerful ally in reducing joint pain, especially for individuals with arthritis. To use frankincense oil, mix a few drops with a carrier oil and gently massage it onto the affected joints. The soothing aroma can also promote relaxation and stress relief. 6. Ginger oil. Ginger oil is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it an effective choice for joint pain relief. It can help reduce swelling and discomfort, making it an ideal option for people with arthritis. Combine a few drops of ginger oil with a carrier oil and massage it into the painful areas to experience relief. Essential oils have gained recognition for their natural healing properties and their potential to alleviate joint pain. When used correctly, these oils can provide relief from discomfort, reduce inflammation, and improve overall joint health. However, it's essential to remember that essential oils should be used with care and in moderation. Always dilute them with a carrier oil, perform a patch test to check for allergies, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or underlying medical conditions. With the right approach, essential oils can be a valuable addition to your pain management routine, helping you regain mobility and enjoy a better quality of life.